Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore Sport X20 wireless earbuds, featuring powerful sound, adaptive noise cancellation, and a secure, adjustable ear hook design for workouts. With water resistance, long battery life, and stable Bluetooth connectivity, they're built for training and everyday listening. Plus, clear calls and app customization add extra convenience. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Sport X20 wireless earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. The Soundcore Sport X20 is designed with flexible, adjustable ear hooks that rotate and extend to match your ear shape. This ensures a locked-in fit even during high-intensity workouts like running, jumping, or gym training, so the earbuds stay firmly in place without constant adjustment. These earbuds deliver deep, punchy bass with clear mids and highs, making your music feel more energetic during workouts. Through the companion app, you can fine-tune the EQ settings to match your preference, while adaptive noise cancellation helps reduce background distractions so you can stay focused on your training or calls. Built to handle tough conditions, the Sport X20 comes with strong water and sweat resistance, making it ideal for intense gym sessions and outdoor runs. Whether you're sweating heavily or caught in light rain, these earbuds are designed to keep performing without compromise. The earbuds offer extended battery life, allowing hours of continuous playback on a single charge, with a charging case that extends usage even further. With fast and stable Bluetooth connectivity, pairing is quick and reliable, ensuring smooth audio without interruptions throughout your day. Technical specifications. How to wear. Gently place the earbuds over your ears and hook them onto the upper edge. The design allows adjustment across multiple levels, so you can change the ear hook position to match your ear size for better comfort and fit. Fine-tune the ear hooks between the available levels until you find the most stable and comfortable position. A proper fit ensures better sound delivery, stability during movement, and reduces the chance of slipping during activities like running or workouts. Once worn, gently shake your head or nod to confirm the earbuds are securely fixed in place. If they move or feel loose, readjust the ear hooks until they feel firm but comfortable for long-term use. If you wear glasses, put them on first before wearing the earbuds. Then position the ear hooks so they sit outside the glasses' temples, ensuring the glasses are closer to your head than the ear hooks. This prevents pressure and ensures both devices sit comfortably together. How to pair? Start by downloading the Soundcore app from the App Store or Google Play. This app unlocks extra features like EQ presets, touch control customization, and additional settings to personalize your listening experience with the Soundcore wireless earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case, and they will automatically enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for your device in the available devices list, and select it to connect. The earbuds will then be successfully linked to your device. Once connected, open the app to confirm pairing if prompted. From there, you can adjust sound settings, choose EQ presets, and customize touch controls based on your preference. After setup, your earbuds are fully ready for music, calls, and everyday use. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. The charging case supports Qi wireless charging. Simply place the back of the case, where the wireless charging contact is located, onto a compatible charging pad. Make sure the case is properly aligned with the center of the pad to ensure efficient charging. The LED indicator will turn on to confirm charging, and you can leave it on the pad until fully charged for convenient cable-free use. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. User-proof chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.